Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use autocorrect in Excel. So here I'll be teaching you how to use autocorrect in Excel. So autocorrect in Excel, as you see right now when we're gonna type this guide. There we go. Then we click on that. The G becomes the U becomes small and the G becomes large. So now we can change a few of that by just clicking on file right there. And after clicking on file right there, click on right here the options right here. After clicking on options, go to proofing. So here at proofing, you will see an autocorrect option. So here at autocorrect options, once you press on that, use will come out autocorrect English. So right there, United States. Um, Here we have the show autocorrect options button right here. We have the correct two initial capitals. So when there's two initial capitals, it will correct it like what I did earlier, just two. So it corrected in capital first letter of sentence. So we're gonna make sentence. It's gonna capitalize it. So and then capitalize name of days. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It will capitalize it and the correct accidental use of caps lock keys. It will fix it and replace text as you type. There you go. Now here the replace text as you type, as you can see right there. Here are the rows. Let's say we're gonna replace the word banana. Banana with apple. There you go. Then you're gonna click OK. We're gonna click on add. So when we type banana later, you can type it. And we have the auto format as you type. So here, replace as you type. We have the internet and network paths with hyperlinks, and we have the apply as you work. So this will work on hyperlinks. So here, once apply as you work, include new rows and columns in tables, and automatically as your work right here. So, so these are for the whole of this right here. The right here are the auto formats right there. And here at the action, enable additional action is right click menu right here. We have the date right here. We can add more actions right here that we can add, but we're just gonna disable it because we don't need it. Math autocorrect for maths right here. As you can see, it's like here slash and here we go. Here are all the stuff that math. I think there's pi right here. If I'm not wrong. Right. Mm, yeah, but I think it's right there basically. I think let's see. There, it's right there. Anyways, so you can do that. As you can see, square root. We have the square root, fourth square root right here, and acute. As you can see right there, just type it slash acute, and all those stuff you can see it right there. And then we're simply click on OK. So right there, so banana. Then we're gonna try few this out. So I'll show you that it works. Then click on OK. So we have here ignore words in uppercase right here. Yeah, we can choose to ignore those words with the uppercase and ignore words that contains numbers. And we have the ignore internet and file address, and we give flag. Yeah, repeated words as you can see right there. It's all checked because it's on default. That's why it's all on check. That's on the default mode. And enforce accident uppercase in French, and it only works if you know French. You can enforce that. There goes this. They just from main direct dictionary only. Right here we have the custom dictionaries. Right here we can click the custom dictionaries. I basically click on that and then change right here. We're gonna remove the Philippines. There we go. There you go. As you can see right there. Now, as said and done, now we're gonna test it out. So we're gonna test it out. So we're gonna put in guide. Enter there as you can see right there. Now we're gonna put in the um, apple apple banana. As you can see right now, apple right there. There we go. It's just two apples right now, and now we can add smell. There you go. And when we put in today, like that, I go because it's a capital letter Monday. But if we just put it cool. There it doesn't capital it. So there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys active it because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions about autocorrect here at Excel, you can type it in the comment section below, and then we'll be happy to answer you guys. So yeah, thank you guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.